Alright, y'all. So I got this emissions that I have to get done. And I'm going to try and do it myself. They have self-service. And today is Sunday, y'all. So I don't know if y'all can see. The last time I went to get it done, it's a port. It's a port right here. I'm going to try to, yep, there it goes, right there. So I'm going to try to go ahead and do it myself. It's 24 hours. It's cheaper, faster. So we're going to see if I'll be able to do it. Yep, somebody over there doing it. Somebody over there doing it. Really, this place be crowded. Self-test, keep right. I'm going to see if I can do it. I'm going to see if I can do it. It's usually just standing. Look, everybody got the same idea. Look at this. Boo. Everybody try to say that, buddy. Look at this line. Dang, I hope nobody come behind me because I might not know what I'm doing. All right, we next up. I think we've been sitting 15 minutes. I think, yeah, it's probably like 5 minutes apiece. I hope I did it right. I hope. It passed. It passed.
Oh, good.
Yay.
Oh,
It passed. Okay. All right. Great. I told y'all Birdie will try for y'all. So at least y'all know. And nobody's behind me. That's the best part. It was like 5 cars ahead of me. So yeah, y'all. Do it yourself. Safe. It was $26 now. It used to be 14. I don't even know. But anyway, do it, y'all. Save y'all some money. Hook it up. That was easy, right? Right. Yo, so I was just putting my new one up in my glove box and I found the old one. So I was late and didn't even know it. It said this old one right here says March, my daughter's birthday, March 5th, 2025. So that's why it was $26 because it was a late fee. That is crazy. They didn't say anything in the mail. They just sent me that one in the mail. So, cause I thought it. So it says test fee $14. So yeah, I had to pay a late fee. I was wondering why it was $26. That is crazy. I didn't get anything in the mail to tell me about the emissions and back in March. So you gotta keep up with them, y'all. They do the same thing with your tags. Also, they just trying to get more money from us.